IMEC AGM 2025 Board Candidate Association 111. Again, we have this issue of why does each candidate have to report the vote? What is the competitive advantage? Okay, the only night, then the only one that is providing disruption of 2.4 billion cut between gross and net wages in this planet. Why? Because sure, we'll have to follow our kids in Europe. For example, they pay 70% tax. If we give them a bonus because you did grow productivity or you had these targets achieved and so on, we have to pay 80% this metastasis government's tax. Now, how if that was zero, then kids, the UK, in Germany, in Finland would fight to defend the trends of the competitive world that today we have and we are facing from China. Now, how if within IMEC we did show to this planet that yeah, we can cut this gross and net wages, just do it like that. How much money is that? Would IMEC need to report Department of IMEC Efficiency, DOIA, like they have tried to do in USA with DOSH. Now, could we report every month how much we're improving intrinsic value of IMEC members? Would this be utopia? Is IMEC in the UK, and then therefore could we really do this without having our heads caught? Well, then I think there is a little chance that we should really have these numbers. It's very simple numbers, okay? How much is between gross and net today? Filipino seafarers, fees, suppliers that IMEC is paying, and how could we improve the wealth and the health of the seafarers and the pockets of ship owners, 50%, and the pocket of seafarers, 50%. Well, vote for me if you want to know that. If not, then let's keep the show like it is today. Thank you, bye, and thanks for your time and your vote.